Hello everyone. Now we want to upgrade our Catch Apple game to, to make it even more funny. Uh, Previously we used keyboard to control the ball to move left and right to catch the apples, but that is kind of old-fashioned, isn't it? That is something like typical 1980s game to use keyboard to control the movements. Now it's 2013, and we like to use any motion system like sensor systems to detect our motion, video to detect our movements, to then to have the reactions on the PC, on the screen to TV to play games. So can we use video control or sound control to play the game? Yes, the answer absolutely is here. It's 2013. So today we're going to use the vision control system and to on the scratch to help us to upgrade the game. Yeah, to use video motion to catch the apple. So here is the function block. It's more or less the same, as the from logic side, from strategy side, it's the same. But the only change is here, as the previous one we made to use the ball to catch the apple. The only difference is here. Previously, it was to use the ball to sense if it touches the apple or not. But here we use the video motion to touch the apple. Okay, let's try how to make it happen. Make a new project first. No, we don't need to make a new project. We can upload the project if you save. Download your projects into your local PC. Now you can upload it into your PC again. Scratch my Catch Apple again. Okay, this is the Catch Apple again. The previous one, the old-fashioned type Catch Apple again. Now we want to make a new one. So the first one, say goodbye with the ball. Say goodbye with the other two apples, because as you know, we don't need to program every apple. So we can just program one apple and then duplicate it to as use it as a template and duplicate it. So to save our job, to save our energy, so it's better to delete other apples and only change one. So what we're going to do, so here is the only difference. Here is the only difference. If touching the ball. Now we want to change it. If it sends the video motion on this apple. So how to do that? First, click the sensoring. You will see a very interesting function here. It's a simple video motion on this spirit. In fact, this function it use the camera on your PC, the camera on your iPad, or on your microphone to detect the motions. So it will detect the motions and it will give a value. And what's that? On this spirit or on this stage or something else? Here we use on this spirit, which means we want to detect the motion on the apple, because now we are programming the apple. So yeah, this spirit means the apple, we want to we can it has a value here, say motion, because you can understand that if you have a quicker, faster movement, then the motion will generate a value, a bigger value, and slower, where slower speed is going to have the smaller value. So we don't want to just sit there and open your mouth and catch apple. Yeah, it might happen, but it's not fun, isn't it? It's not again, isn't it? Again, you want to move, you want to win, you want to do something. So we have to, if we want to do that, we have to give the motion a limit to tell the software, okay, we want to have some certain speed motions, then we can call it, it's a catch action. If people are too slow, if people are just sit there, then sorry, nothing happened. So we need to click the operators, use the comparison, and we want the motion bigger than a certain value. Now I set it to 30. You can just play, just use the different values to see how it works. The higher values means you have to move faster. So yeah, you can try. Now we just drag the touching ball function out and say goodbye with him, and put the new function in. Yeah, that's simple. Now we can try to duplicate 1, 2, 3 apples and try to play. Okay, funny thing, I forgot one thing, sorry. Before that, we need to open. Always remember, we need to turn the video on. So when the game starts, turn video on. It's also under the censoring function block, and where are you? Here, turn video on. Turn video on. So here, you can also. Now you can see me now. Ow! 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 Oh, yeah, it's fun, isn't it? It's simple and fun. Have fun, enjoy.